The first game the majority of us played as kids was a game called Snake. Now in this game, we control a snake that moves continuously in a small enclosed area, and we try to eat as many apples as we can. When we eat, we grow longer, making it harder for us to survive. Having recently learnt the Java programming language, I'm curious to see if I can build this game myself. This should be easy. Alright, let's begin. Let's create a new Java project named MySnakeGame. We need to start by making a main method in a class called app. This is where we will run our code. Then we will create a JFrame called MyFrame, and in MyFrame we will make the layout of our game. We will finally need to create the game panel, where we will write the code for the main functionality of our game. From here we will call start game. Now within start game we want to create a new apple. We also want to create a new timer. Then we will call timer.start. Timer.start calls paint component every time the timer ticks. Now within paint component we want to call draw G. Now within draw it checks if the game is running. If the game is running, it draws in the apple. From there we color in the snake. Now we want to see if there has been any collisions. Then make running into false, and if running is false, then we'll stop the timer. It will go back to draw method. It will see that the game is not running and call game over. Now in game over we want to call the game over panel. Finally, for the game to work we need an action performed and key adapter. Alright, let's run Snake to see how it looks. Oh, my bad. I ran the wrong one. Let's see. Alright. It's actually pretty smooth. I really like the look of it, and there's a game over. Sick.
I thought of you today. It reminded me to take out the trash. Seeing you play this bad had the same effect.
I didn't play that bad. You may be wondering, Ömer, where did that sound come from? How did you do it? Google Java text-to-speech. Click on Crazy Russian Hacker #2's video, go on his GitHub link and copy paste. If you actually really persevere and actually try to copy paste, you might be able to do it. Now I bet you're wondering, Ömer, where did you come up with the game logic? That's a bit hard. Google. I went on Brocode's video, what was it called, Java Snake Game, and pretty much copied that. It's finally time to add a bit of my own code. After every 10 apples eaten, the snake becomes a gamer and the game increases in speed. Whenever you die, there is now a play again button. Let's try this out. Alright, I'm just gonna kill myself just to see if the play again button's gonna work. Shut up. Alright, so let's see. Huh?
Is that all you can do? You are more disappointing than an unsolved puzzle.
Bro, why isn't it? What? So there's clearly something wrong with my code, but I can't figure out what it is. After spending countless hours searching for answers, I inadvertently create more questions. Why doesn't it work? Why does the voice come up 1,000 times? What is the meaning of life? Why are we here? I decide to take a stroll outside and realize that all matter is merely energy condensed into a slow vibration. That we are all one consciousness experiencing itself subjectively. There is no thing such as death. Life is only a dream, and we are the imagination of ourselves. But if we are the imagination of ourselves, then so is our problem. We are not stuck, we only believe we are. And in order to hurdle past this roadblock, we need to believe it doesn't exist. Then it hit me. Instead of adding the game panel when I want to play, then removing it and adding the game over panel when I lose, instead I should create a whole new J panel called the contents pane, and add the other panels into that, then set its layout into a card layout, allowing us to shift through each panel just like we would shift through cards. And just like that, it started working again. I just got an amazing idea. Why don't I make a 2-player mode?
Didn't they already make that? Snake.io?
I'm going to build this revolutionary, never done before 2-player mode of Snake by first adding a menu. We then want a single player and multiplayer listeners for the buttons in the main menu. We'll edit my frame to allow the switching of main menu, multiplayer, and single player panels. We'll then create the required panels such as multiplayer panel and game over panel. The multiplayer panel will work just like the normal game panel, but doubled to accommodate the second snake. It now looks like this. Finally, it's time to collect some feedback. I grabbed my mate Meflet and forced him to try out my game. Here's how it went. Look, watch this. Look at this.
Okay, yeah,
so
that's
cool,
nice.
yeah. I made that.
Narcissism.
I'm gonna press single player, and then you're gonna start straight away. That's it.
Alright.
Alright. 3.
I'll just play with these, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
3, 2, 1, go. Go! You scared.
Yo, you actually did a good job.
I know.
What do you mean you know, bro? What do you mean you know? You have to make this seem like I caught them all at the first shot.
Okay.
Okay.
One.
Not too hard. Oh. Not too hard.
Not too hard?
Oh, let's go.
Yes.
Yo, what?
Yeah.
What happened?
Every time you reach 10, like the multiples of 10,
Alright.
it speeds up.
I can't get this. Oh!
Whoa!
Oh my god.
That was...
I just ended my life
Is
because
that
of
all
that
you
fame.
can do? You are more disappointing than an unsalted pretzel.
Well. Well, unsalted pretzel, bro? Really? Really? Come down, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, so what do you think?
I enjoyed it. It's kind
Yeah?
of fun, yeah. Nah, it's actually
It's
alright.
good?
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Alright. Move up.
Play again?
Right.
No, I'm playing.
You wanna play again?
I'm playing again.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, I'm playing again. You can watch me again. Watch this. Watch this first shot, alright?
First shot.
Let's go.
Right, now, we've got the crazy part, yeah? This is a revolutionary idea. No one ever did this before.
Okay.
It's a I'm a genius.
Alright, I'm excited.
2-player snake.
Wowee. Wait, so are we fighting against each other? I didn't get it.
Yes, so
okay.
we both try to get the apple piece, whatever they call it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Yo, what?
Yeah, it's smaller, because, like, why not? Oh,
What?
you went through me, but, like, sometimes it does that, you know, just shut up. I'm winning right now.
Wait, isn't that good?
I thought of you today. It reminded me to take out the trash.
You've been talking too much smack, bro. You're talking too much smack today.
Winner P1.
Who's P1?
Me, because I got 5.
Oh, yeah. And did I get...
You got
mean
0?
I got 5, yeah?
I mean...
It was a glitch.
Yeah.
I got 5.
Yeah. P1, isn't that your name? P1?
Yeah.
That's your name.
My name, like, on my passport as well.
Your
yeah.
name? Yeah.
Yeah, P1
it's P,
from... Yeah.
Your surname 1.
Yeah.
Play again. Let's go.
We'll play again.
I'll be man. Yeah. What?
What do you mean, imagine...
Literally impossible to underestimate you.
I'm actually P2. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Right? Where did I go?
You're inside me.
Oh, wait, what? How did I get off the map? Who's that?
Oh, and then
that's
P1.
it.
Yeah, P1. So I took 2 and then I drove into you. I ran into you.
You drove into me.
Yeah, I snaked into you. Alright, one more round. Alright, winner of this is the best snake player ever.
Okay.
Is the best snake. Question to me, I dare you, bro. Yes! I'm a snake. Let's go.
The game was clearly a success, and despite the hiccups, I'm surprised we even made it this far. This video took me a lot of effort, and I would really appreciate if you would support it by throwing a thumbs up and subscribing if you want more of this type of videos.
To be honest, it wasn't as good as I made it sound. I was only saying that because you're going to be putting that on YouTube and you got your viewers and all that, you know. It was actually like, it wasn't that good, man.